Backing onto a park, 68 Katrina Drive is a modern split entry in a family-friendly neighborhood.
Let's check out this 4-bed, 3-bath home.
The bright great room has a propane fireplace, doors to the back deck,
And this stunning kitchen with solid surface countertops, a tile backsplash, and a breakfast bar.
Down the hall, you'll find the home's main bathroom and 3 bedrooms.
Including the primary with a walk-in closet and its private ensuite bathroom.
The back deck overlooks the stone patio with fire pit and has access to the park in the backyard.
Let's check out the lower level.
The walkout basement has a family room, the home's 4th bedroom, a bathroom with laundry,
and access to the 2-car garage with a utility room. Thanks for watching. For more information on 68 Katrina Drive,
visit frederictonhomes.com.